One of the things I always tell the students to make sure to ask is to say to their volunteer, what do you want us to know about aphasia, or what do you want us to know about having aphasia?
You can see everything in your brain. You want to be able to say exactly what you want to do. And the thing that is a little fuzzy for me with aphasia is I can see everything in the back of my brain. I can see every word, but it's like, Steve, I'm not going to let you say that particular word.
So aphasia is a language disorder. It's a problem with being able to communicate about what you are thinking about. The Aphasia Workshop is a program that I developed at Northeastern's Speech, Language, and Hearing Center, in which a volunteer comes in and meets with a group of SLP, Speech, Language, Pathology students. We have had 120 graduate students participate in the program so far, and we've had about 10 to 12 volunteers. And if you do the math, that means that we've had many volunteers come back several times.
In the workshop, I learned how to administer aphasia tests and batteries, and basically learn more about the participant and how they dealt with aphasia.
Until you sit down with someone who's had a stroke or has aphasia, you're not going to fully understand it. This was an amazing experience to hear what it's like to have aphasia, to see it, and then to see the emotional side of how it affects someone and their life.
So I would say that when I first came here, it was truly a struggle, and I would say maybe 10–15% of what I was doing. Now I would say I'm close to 90% of where I should be, but it's a work in progress.
I learned more about people with aphasia and their difficulties, because the participant today, he would describe what he got stuck on and why he got stuck on it, and we'd kind of get to see the strategies he used when a communication breakdown occurred.
The participant that we were working with gave us a lot of great advice as how clinicians can better interact with adults with aphasia, how we can do testing, and how we can do some therapy ideas with them, and that'll be really great.
Where I am today, it has made such a difference in that communication with you here. It's been amazing, sort of the connection.